this Mahamantra is so exalted. This Mahamantra is so very exalted. Our predecessor Acharya gives so many interpretations. We say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Who is Hare? It is Radharani. And Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna. So when we say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, it means Radha and Krishna are united. They are together. They are in Vrindavan performing sweet Madhurya pastimes where Lalita and Vishaka and Tungavidya and Induleka and Rangadevi and Sudevi, they are all serving Srimati Radharani, and Rupa Manjari and Rati Manjari. They are all serving Radha and Krishna. So Radha and Krishna are united. That is Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. But now Krishna leaves. And naturally when Krishna leaves, what does Radharani do? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Krishna is left. So she is calling out Krishna Krishna. We find this is the mode Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna He. Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna He. Radharani experienced this mood because when Krishna left, she said Krishna Krishna. So first, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, they are both united. But now Krishna is leaving. There is Vipralamba, there is separation. Radharani says Krishna Krishna. And because Krishna is also separated, what does he say? Hare Hare. Oh Radhe, Hare Hare. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So in the first line, there is union, there is separation. Now in the second line, they are again meeting together. Hare Rama. So now this Rama cannot be Ram. It cannot be Raghupati Ram. Because if the first line is Radha and Krishna, how can the second line ever be Raghupati Ram? This is Rasabhas. So this second line we understand this Ram is Radhika Raman Krishna or Radha Madhav. Ramana means that form of Krishna who gives happiness, who gives delight to Radhika. So Hare Ram. So again Radha and Krishna are united. Hare Ram. Again Radha and Krishna are united. But now that Ram, Radhika Raman, is leaving. There is separation. So what happens? Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Oh Radhika Raman Krishna, Ram Ram. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava Rakshamam. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava Rakshamam. This is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was experiencing. So Radharani says Ram Ram. And now what does Radhika say? Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So that Radhika Raman Krishna is saying Hare Hare, Radhe Radhe. So we find in the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, there is union, there is separation, there is union, there is separation. Mat vina vipralambena sambhogam pushtim ashnute. Kaviraj Goswami says, without separation, union can never be nourished. If we are separated from one person for a very long time, and after a very long time we again meet that person, how happy we will be. We will be so happy to meet them again. But if you're always united with that person, this mood cannot be relished. So in Dwarka, Krishna is always with Rukmini and Satyabhama and etc. So that is why Krishna doesn't relish that mood very much. But in Vrindavan, there is meeting, there is separation. There is meeting, there is separation. And this gives so much happiness to Krishna's heart. And this Vipralamba Bhav is experienced in the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. There is